Streamer comes in at a pretty good time, folks. I started buffing a little bit later. No! Let's go! Dude, that was almost killer teamwork. Oh, yeah, dude. That was sick teamwork, bro. Man, if you want to see more of this stuff, just do all these little buttons, man. Like, follow, comment, subscribe, and you'll get more. Love you guys. Thank you. Yeah, thanks for being here, man. If you guys like what you see, like, follow, comment, subscribe. Press every button you can find. Press the buttons, folks. Press the buttons or the kitten gets it.